Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 26 of the Cougar Connection. This week's student spotlight is Daniel Manning. Daniel is a 7th grade student here at SMS, and he is a member of the Green Monkey team. He is also a member of the academic team where he individually placed first in science at both the district and region Governor's Cup. He also was awarded 4th in math at the district level and 5th in the region. He's going to move on to the state competition in March, so good luck, Daniel. And aside from academics, he is also a member of the high school bowling team and the high school golf team. So congratulations, Daniel, on all of your accomplishments. We're very proud of you, and we can't wait to see what amazing things you accomplish in the future as a Cougar here at SMS. This week's staff spotlight is a little bit different, as you guys can see. Up in the pictures of the week, we do have several staff featured. We have Miss Johnson, Miss Ellison, Miss Combs, Miss Wagner, Miss Ham, and Miss Plank. And these ladies accomplished their Google Level 2 certification a couple weeks ago, so we awarded their badges this week. So congratulations, ladies. And we do want to take a moment and just also congratulate Miss Gibson. Her now fiance, showed up on Friday on Valentine's Day and proposed to her. So congratulations, Miss Gibson. We're very happy for you. Upcoming this week, we have several things on the calendar. We will have an admin team meeting at 9:30 in the morning on Monday, as well as a site-based council meeting at 3:45 in the conference room. I know there are several students out there who still need to meet the requirement of attending a meeting like the site-based council. So students, if we need to do so, we will move that meeting to the library if it gets kind of crowded in there. Also on Monday, student council nominees, you're going to be visiting FCHS for lunch, and we will have ELE and Social Studies PLC after school on Monday. Tuesday, we'll have a SPED PLC at 1 o'clock. Leadership, we will meet at 3:15 in the conference room. Aspiring admins, you will meet from 4 to 5:30 at central office. And there is also a board meeting on Tuesday night at central office. Wednesday, STLP members, you are taking a field trip through a grant from KET. And on Thursday, PLCs, we will meet during your planning time, teachers, and we're also going to meet in content PLC, science, and math after school. Friday will be Can, Will, Must t-shirt day. Upcoming in the weeks that follow, we are going to have a field test for the K-Prep assessment. This is a requirement by the state. So parents and students, you should know that that is not for accountability this year, but it is the hope, I think, and expectation of the state that we will be moving to an online accountability system. So students will practice and kind of test that out next week. Also coming up next week on Wednesday, we're going to have Kona Ice in the building. And as we move into March, we do have a lot of activities going on in the month of March. One thing that does need to be on everyone's radar is the PSAT. The PSAT is an exam that all of our students, grade 7 and 8, take. And 8th grade students, you took that last year's 7th graders. And if you can improve your score 70 total points, or if you can meet the benchmark for Algebra 1 in math, then you will get a $50 check from Advanced Kentucky. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have a great week.